Bobby Stein, y'all. I am in Greenwood, Mississippi. I'm getting ready to head down Grand Avenue out to Money Road. We're going to go by Robert Johnson's gravesite at Little Zion Baptist Church. Going up and see if I can film Tallahatchie Flats. Go through Money, Mississippi, onto Highway 8. And then we're going to go to Mentor City, Mississippi and film. So hope y'all enjoy the video. Leave me comments and we will see you next video. Okay, y'all, it's Tuesday, the 14th of November. It's about 10:53 a.m. and I'm just turning on to Grand Boulevard over in Greenwood, Mississippi. Probably the prettiest street in Greenwood. It's got the nicest houses. 4 degrees out, sort of a dreary Delta day today. There's some beautiful old houses along this boulevard. Again, this Grand Boulevard. And this will go out North Greenwood. It'll turn into Money Road. Okay, y'all, we're going over the Tallahatchie Bridge. There's a historical marker dedicated to Bobby Gentry. Actually, this is the Tallahatchie River. Now we're on the Money Road. Before, it's been probably a year or so. Robert Johnson's grave is sort of to the back of the cemetery. Here's the church, Little Zion Missionary Baptist Church. So it says Robert L. Johnson, May 8th, 1911 to August 16th, 1938. musician and composer, he influenced millions beyond his time. And that's his handwriting. It says, handwritten by Robert Johnson shortly before his death and preserved among family papers by his sister, Carrie H. Thompson. So this is Tallahatchie Flats.